jumper na nag-spark ng interest ninyo. Punta na rito. Kanino mo ibibigay ang spark spin mo?
Kim. No. I know, Harold. Aaron Aberastori, and I'm from Cebu City, but I originally came from Bantayan Island. I consider myself as budding.
Hi, I'm Harold and I'm from Cavite. At proud ako na anak ako ng farmers. Ako ay isang half Pinoy and half Pinay. So, bading!
Hi, my name is Kim Bejerano and I'm from Quezon City.
I gave him my spark spin kasi parang same kami ng vibe. He's always smiling, giggling.
Siyempre kinilig ako, B.
Gusto ko yung na-confuse ka, Aaron. Thank you. Harold, you're next.
Si Aaron to.
Aaron!
La girl! Wait lang. Hindi ko in-expect. I was happy lang kasi naka-receive ako ng isang pin.
Nag-base na lang ako sa vibe. Para kaming Bluetooth. Connect!
Now, Kim, kanino ang spark spin mo?
That's Harold.
Harold!
Maganda yung smile niya. Tapos yung fangs niya dito. Sabi ko, vampire, right?
Five times a week yung show namin.
Wow!
Anong show?
Talagang busy ka. Ano?
Busy ka talaga.
Nagda-dance-dance.
You're a dad.
Yeah.
You are?
I'm very, very... Are you?
I'm not.
No?
Yeah.
Can I? Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Go. Thank you. Kumakain na pala kayo.
Kami yung boss. We are the boss. Kayo na lang
Kayo nag-pray.
Sige, nag-pray.
Sige, nag-pray. Ilawan niyo yan. Okay
Water.
lang. Para si Rato.
Ano bang zodiac sign mo?
Libra. Libra. Hindi
Libra.
ako masyado maalam sa zodiac sign.
Ako din.
Pero kayo, anong zodiac sign? Taurus. This one? Okay. This one.
Kakahiya.
Mas nakaka-turn on nga eh.
I was shy naman at first. Like, get...
One.
Ayun, ako yan. Ako yan. Okay.
Nung nalaman ko na side si Harold, maybe we're match, maybe. I think lang.
Oh, side ako. Gusto mo try? Ay, man.